So, hi guys! Good morning, good morning, good morning. And today, babalik kami ng Tacloban for the medical. Kasi kahapon hindi eh. Sakay kuya! So, sakay tayo ng pupot papunta sa waiting shed. Oh, shit. Ngayon, nandito na ako sa waiting shed. Hinantay yung kasama ko and then dumating na siya. Sasakay na kami para papunta dun sa Palo. So we're gonna have our medical today. Hopefully, kung ano yung lakarin namin maging matapos lahat. Ngayon, sakay na kami ng jeep para papunta dun sa sakay na kami ng tricycle on our way there sa hospital. Sana hindi pa maraming tao. We just arrived here at the hospital. Ay, ang dami ng tao. Kaya pupunta muna kami ng malasakit. We have to go there para wala kaming babayaran. So, ang haba pa na pila. I'm still number 27. And, ito. It's a lot. So, yeah, a few minutes later, our number wasn't still called. It's tiring to stand up. Wala kayo chair. Laban! We're almost 2 hours here. Well, that's the perk of free. You have to sacrifice. If you want to save money, you sacrifice your time. And if you want to save time, you sacrifice money. Sukot na akong likod. Look up. Layo pa dyan akong number. Hi! It's already 12 noon and our number hasn't called yet. Hasn't been called. And gutom na ako. So, wait sa ako lunch. Then I'll be back. Hunger na tayo the guaya. I din nag-lunch and I also bought snacks just in case gutom mo dito, okay? It will really be so nakakagutom there, pila, waiting, but laban kasi ginusto na rin ako. Ay, salamat, natapos din doon sa pila. And now we're on our way to have our medical. So yeah. Naway matapos to today para pagbalik next time result na lang. I guess we should wait. Let's just take a seat. So, dito kami outside the x-ray room. So, natapos lang namin mag-x-ray. And now, magpipila kami para sa other laboratories. Haba pa yung pila. Onte. So, we're now waiting. Tawagin. For blood. CBC mo yan? So, yeah. Na-finish lang. I-extract ang aking dugo. Ang sakit sa kamay. Okay, fine. So, na kami doon. Magpapadrug test na kami. Pilit ko andyan pa rin yung ano, yung needle sa braso ko. Hindi talaga ako tumay because I really hate needles. And now, we're on our way to the drug testing center. Yung kahapon na pinuntahan na. Kararating lang namin sa yung office. And hopefully, we'll be able to do it today. Scary man! Sige. So, tomorrow na lang ulit kasi nabutan kami ng cut-off. It's raining, oh. Aray. Sakit, uy. Parat-tala. Pauwi na pala kami. Hindi na kami babalik doon. Tomorrow na pala yung result. And standing pa. After the standing ovation ride, dumating na kami. We're here na sa Alang-Alang. So, yes, I'm finally home. And I think I need to rest because I'm really tired today. And yeah, so I guess that's all for today. Bye-bye!